empty a whole liquid school glue bottle into a bowl. Then you want to take this bottle of glue and pour water into it to rinse it out. Make sure to give it a good shake. And pour the water. Now you want to give everything a good mix. You want to set this aside and make a different solution. Now for this solution, you'll need 2 teaspoons of borax and a 1/2 cup of water. And pour it into the borax. And you want to get everything a good stir. Now take your glue mixture and pour it into the bowl. Now for this part, you get to use your hands and mix it up. Now take your slime and put it in a plastic bag. And rinse all the liquid out.